Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Park level, chalk wheels, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid accidental ABS pump activation. Once done, plug an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner and retrieve ABS codes. Write them down so you know what to target. Next, get under each wheel and inspect sensor faces, tone rings, and wiring for debris or damage. Low brake fluid can trigger ABS faults, so check and top to spec if needed before proceeding with repairs. You now move into the diagnostic middle. Remove the wheel and caliper to reach the wheel speed sensor and tone ring. Use a multimeter to measure sensor resistance and watch for AC voltage while spinning the hub. Compare readings to factory specs to confirm a faulty sensor versus wiring issue. Once identified, clean the sensor tip and tone ring with brake cleaner and a soft brush. If readings remain out of range, replace the sensor or repair the wiring harness before reassembly. Finish by reassembling everything and torquing bolts to spec, then reconnect the negative battery terminal and clear ABS codes with your scanner. Next, perform a proper brake bleed that accommodates the ABS module, follow the ABS-specific bleed cycle, or use a scanner to cycle the pump while bleeding. Afterward, road test in a safe area to verify ABS engages and the light stays off. If the ABS light returns, check the wiring harness and fuses and verify the pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.